Hi everyone, welcome to today's section of Learning with PrepClass. I am Usman Nuruddin, a PrepClass tutor. So today, we are going to continue our section of solving questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question for the year 2020. In this video, we are going to be solving questions 91 to 95. I hope you've seen our previous videos on how we solve each question. You can check through our channel to see the videos. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also join us on WhatsApp to get easy interaction with all our tutors. So today, we are going to solve more questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question for the year 2020. We are going to start with question 91. Question 91. How many sides has a polygon if the sum of its angles is 48 right angles? A. 26, B. 24, C. 22, D. 20. This question is about polygon. So we are going to solve this question using the idea of polygon. Now from the question, we have the sum of the angles to be 48 right angles. Now, we have to find the number of sides. Let the number of sides be n. And we have the sum of angles to be 48 right angles. And 48 right angles is the same as saying 48 times 90, because right angles means 90 degrees. So now we have 48 multiplied by 90. Now, the sum of angles of a polygon equals n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now we have to find the value of n, given the sum of angles in the polygon. Now we are going to substitute our values to get the value for n. So we have 48 times 90, which is the sum of angles in a polygon, equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, because we need to get the value for n, we have to divide both sides by 180. So 180 can cancel 180 here. And from here, we divide. 90 here is 1. 90 in 180 is 2. 2 here is 1. 2 in 48 is 24. So we have 24 equals n minus 2. Now we need to collect like terms to get the value of n. Now 24 and 2 will come together, so we have 24. Minus 2 is on the right hand side. It will move to the left hand side and it will change from minus to plus. So we have 24 plus 2, which is equals to n. Now n equals 24 plus 2, which is 26. So this means the number of sides of the polygon is 26. And from the option, the correct option is A, 26. Now we move further to solve the next question. Question number 92. Simplify 199,999 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. A. 39,99,600. B. 399,996,000. C. 3,999,960,000. D. 39,999,600,000. So we have to solve this question. How do we solve this question? We have 199,999 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. How should we solve this? Should we start by multiplying 199,999 by itself? No, we are simply going to follow a simple logic. Now, we have 199,999 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So, which is the same thing as saying 199,999 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is the same thing as saying 1 times 1. And 1 times 1 is the same thing as saying 1 raised to the power of 2. So now we have to recall a law of algebra, which says when you have a squared minus b squared, the result is the same thing as saying a minus b in a bracket, then open bracket a plus b. So we are going to apply this simple logic to solve this question. So that means 199,999 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 raised to the power of 2 is going to be 199,999 minus 1 in a bracket, then open bracket 199,999 plus 1. You can see that. So if you subtract 1 from 199,999, we are going to get 199,998 multiplied by 199,999 plus 1. and that's giving us 200,000. Now, how should we multiply here? Just use these 2 to multiply the whole of this number. So it means you are going to say 2 multiplied by 199,998. Then our result, we just attach the remaining zeros here to get our answer. So if we do the multiplication, we are going to get 39,999,600,000. And the correct option is option D, 39,999,600,000. So that is how easy it is to solve that question. If you start by saying, oh, let me multiply 199,999 by itself, it's going to take you a whole lot of time, and you don't have such a time to waste. So following that simple trick, you are going to get your answer. So we move to the next question, question number 93. The population of 5 towns are 15,000, 17,300, 62,800, 74,000, and 34,400, each to the nearest 100. Find the total population of the 5 towns to the nearest 1,000. A. 200,000, B. 204,000, C. 204,100, D. 240,000. Now, total population is going to be the sum of all the populations. So we have 15,000 plus 17,300 plus 62,800 plus 74,000 plus 34,400. Now, when we add all these together, we are going to get 203,500. But the question says we should leave the answer to the nearest 1,000. So to the nearest 1,000, we have 203,500. So 1,000 is the 203. Now, before we pick 203,000 as our answer, we are going to check the digit after this 3. And the digit after 3 here is 5. So we round up 5. And when we round up 5, we are going to get 1. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. So that means our answer is 204,000 to the nearest 1,000. And the correct option is option B, 204,000. So now, we move to the next question. Question number 94. Question 94. The bearing of P and Q is 063 degree. Find the bearing of Q from P. A. 243 degree. B. 153 degree. C. 117 degree. D. 27 degree. Now, the bearing of P from Q is 06 degree. So because we have the bearing of P from Q is 06 degree, it means from Q, I'm going to measure an angle of 063 degree. Then I will draw a line to point P. Now here I have the point P. This is the cardinal point. Now because here is 063 degree, there's what we call alternate angles. That is this angle here and this angle here. So from these two angles, they are alternate angles. And alternate angles are equal. So therefore, since here is 063 degree, here is also 63 degree. Now, what is the bearing of Q from P? Now from point P, this is the north pole. The angle from the north to the south is 180 degree. So if we add 180 to this 63, we are going to get 243. So that means the total angle from the north to this line leading to Q is 243 degree. So this means that the bearing of Q from P is 243 degree. And the correct option is option A, 243 degree. That's it. Now the last question for this video. Arrange these fractions in descending order of magnitude. 6 over 13, 11 over 12, 12 over 13, 10 over 12, 7 over 8. A, 10 over 11, 7 over 8, 6 over 13, 11 over 12, 12 over 13. B, 12 over 13, 11 over 12, 10 over 11, 7 over 8, 6 over 13. C, 11 over 12, 6 over 13, 12 over 13, 10 over 11, 11 over 8. D, 7 over 8, 10 over 11, 11 over 12, 12 over 13, 6 over 13. Now we need to arrange the fractions in descending order of magnitude. How can we do this? We are going to do this by converting each of these fractions into decimal. So we are going to say 6 divided by 13, that will give you 0.462. 11 divided by 12, that will give you 0.917. 12 divided by 13, that will give you 0.923. 10 divided by 11, that will give us 0.909. 7 divided by 8, that will give us 0.875. Now, using the decimal fractions, we are going to arrange these numbers from the highest to the smallest. Now, looking at these numbers, the highest is 0.92 because we have 0.90, 0.91. So it means the highest is 0.92. So that is 12 over 13, comma, the next highest, which is 0.91, 0.91, 11 over 12, comma, the next highest, 0.90, which is 10 over 11. That is it there. The next highest, which is 7 over 8, that's 0.87. We have 0.87, comma, then the last one, which is 0.462. We have 6 over 13. So in ascending order, we have the fractions to be 12 over 13, comma, 11 over 12, comma, 10 over 11, comma, 7 over 8, comma, 6 over 13. And the correct option is option B. So that is the end of today's section. I hope you find this section easy to understand. I hope you are able to get how we solved each question. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos in a very orderly fashion. Don't forget to turn on the notification so as to get notified whenever we put up a video on our channel. So guys, we see you again in the next video.